So I think I have some mail. And I'm very excited about it. Okay, so I have some new mail, and it is from Nunatak. Now, Nunatak is known for quilts, or at least that's how I've always known them in the past, is that they just made super high quality quilts. However, they recently started making some other things that I've been really excited about for quite some time. I have been using this jacket for pretty much my entire hiking career. It was the perfect jacket at the time. I've been using this thing for about 8,000 miles. I've really loved it. And then as the next year rolled around, they changed it and it's no longer the perfect jacket. When it came time for me to start replacing this thing, I mean, you can see it's just not as it's not as lofty as it was before. It doesn't keep me as warm. I mean, I've been wearing it for like 8,000 miles, or it's been stuffed in my pack for like 8,000 miles. You could go back and just see picture after picture after picture of me wearing this thing. Because often when my shirts would get so dirty on trail that I just looked like a homeless person in public, I would put on this jacket. So a lot of photos you see of me, I am actually wearing this jacket. And it's super comfortable. But it was time to replace it. You know, after searching and just weighing all of my options, I've decided on what I felt was going to be the perfect replacement for this Montbell Thermarest. Now, what's inside of here is the PCT by Nunatak. The PCT is a new synthetic jacket that they're making. And I've been really, really stoked for it. So that's nice. Send me another stuff sack. Things I will never use. The hundreds of stuff sacks that companies have sent me over the years. I literally have an entire drawer of just stuff sacks with no purpose for them. That's really nice. They send me some information on the jacket here. The total weight of the product, they say, is 300 grams. Anyway, I'm really excited. They even sent me a little sticker. Isn't that very nice of them? Let's see what we think. Immediately, what I really, really like. There are a lot of companies out there that are gonna cut corners to save weight. And I hate that. If you're gonna make something that's inferior, you know, just to save like grams, I don't like that. So something immediately that I really like is this really thick zipper. You know, that is something important to me that seems really, really small. Alright, so immediately this jacket feels way puffier. It is so puffy. I don't know if that's what this one used to be like. It's been so long, because this one, it is like paper thin at this point. But this jacket is just like so thick and so puffy and plush, and it feels really good. It feels really warm. Like putting this jacket on, this Montbell jacket, it's at this point almost like a windbreaker. Like, putting this jacket on, I should be hot, right? I should be hot. I live in Florida. It's literally already summer here. And yet I put it on just moments ago and I was wearing it still very comfortably in the heat. So this one is immediately very warm. It's got a nice big turtleneck here. And something else that is really important, well, you guys can see it's actually got this nice elastic strap at the bottom. It'll keep everything tight up close to my body, so no heat's escaping. But really important for me, pockets. You know, I can keep my wallet. I can keep my Pokemon catcher. I can stuff all my stickers in there. My headphones. You know, paint brushes, and you got a cell phone. And then why not another cell phone? You know, so when I'm hiking, I can have everything I need at my fingertips. Or everything I don't need. Pockets have always been a really important thing to me. And that, to me, is just another corner you cannot cut in these jackets. I think you see with the type of gear choices that I make, where I value pockets like that, easily accessible pockets, just kind of elegantly placed around the pack. You know, this backpack has one on the bottom, it's got shoulder strap pockets, it's got the big mesh pocket on the back. To me, when I'm in the groove and I'm hiking, I don't want to stop and have to grab my snacks, grab my phone, grab, you know, that extra piece of gear, or my flashlight, or my maps. I'm happy and I want to keep hiking, then I don't want to stop. I want everything just at my fingertips right then and there. So having pockets on this jacket is super, super, super important. Yeah, I really like this jacket. Personally, this does feel like it fits really, really nice on me. So I'm pretty happy about that. 6'2", 200 pounds. So I definitely like this jacket. Immediately, it feels like it's what I want. It feels like it's what I'm looking for. And I certainly have high hopes for it. I've been wanting to replace my other jacket now for at least a year. I wanted to replace it before the Pacific Crest Trail. I'm happy I waited. I did further research, and you know, I stuck it out with the other one just a little bit longer. So the reason I bought it now, the reason I haven't just like continued waiting, and the reason I've been getting a couple new pieces of gear here and there is I'm about to go on another hike. To at least start off this year, I'm gonna go hike the Sheltowee Trace Trail. It's a shorter trail, it's in Kentucky, and I'm not wearing my watch, that's strange. I'm gonna go hike this trail probably in 2 to 3 weeks. 4 weeks at the very most. It's still gonna be cold. It's still gonna be cold enough where I'm trying to decide if I want to bring my normal quilt, which is good to like down 30, or if I want to bring my warmer quilt. And then that also really made me think, if I'm still using this old jacket, am I just gonna be like super, super uncomfortable and unhappy the entire time? So it was time. It's time to get back on the trail. I have seriously, seriously, seriously been missing it and needing it and just like craving to kind of get away since I got off the Pacific Crest Trail last year. My time has finally come. Very happily. So one big upgrade I got to my kit was this jacket. I like that right off the bat, when ordering this jacket, in the notes I emailed them like, hey, could I get this small little thing custom? And they immediately emailed me back like, sure, what do you want? So instead of zippered pockets, I just got open pockets. You know, I love supporting these small companies, these people that have gone off on a limb to try and pursue their dreams of starting a backpacking company. These small companies they're still out there innovating and fighting. And it's maybe the innovation that I like the most about them. So, am I happy with this jacket? Yes, I'm very happy with this jacket. Will I be bringing it on the Sheltowee Trace Trail this next month? Absolutely I will be. It is going to be pretty cold for what I'm used to in April, as April in Florida is already death season, and I just can't wait to actually use it out in the field. And also this like turtleneck is super stylish. I don't know, but super stylish turtleneck. What I customized was, instead of the zippered pockets, I got the Skaha style pockets. I am so sorry if I'm mispronouncing that. Delanaga. town I was in for like 3 hours. It's obviously not a very memorable town. Alright, am I happy with this jacket? Absolutely, I'm happy with this jacket. Goodbye.